All right, everyone, this is a quick video on how to log in and how to get started with your dashboard and your device. So, if you recall, I did mention that I am not tech support for every single device. Okay, so with this online course, you're going to have to be very familiar with your own personal device. Okay, if it's a move band, then clearly there will be some assistance for you through DHS Group. If it's an Apple Watch, it's really simple. You'll have to click on the link that's set up for your Apple Watch and the HealthSpective app. But we'll talk more about that later. First thing you want to do is you'll click on Login. All right, HealthSpective Move Login. You click on that, and then this page is going to come up. So you're going to see username and password, but down here in the orange, I want you to go to Students, / athletes. You click there. All right. So if you already have an account, then you just sign in. Okay. If you're new to HealthSpective, then that's when you go ahead and register and begin signing in. So this is what it looks like on the registration page. First name, last name, so on and so forth. Once you get to let's see, invitation code. You don't have an invitation code just yet. I will provide that in a separate email. But you go ahead and get your information in and register, and you should be, good to go. But for right now, I'm going to go ahead and sign in. I already have an account. We're going to pull it up. So right here, it basically shows my activity. This is what your dashboard would look like once you get it set up. And this is a really good program we've had for a while. So let's just kind of play around with it. Activity, select range, week, month, last week, month, steps. You can change this to moves, steps, and miles. Now this comes in handy when it's time to engage in our challenges, because I may ask for moves, steps, and miles. So just remember that this drop down menu will change the setting right there. As you can see, the last sync was today. And like I said, I'm wearing an Apple Watch, so my Apple Watch is connected to my HealthSpective app on my iPhone, okay, which is connected to my activity, my activity app on my iPhone as well. All right, so if we have a challenge, sometimes you'll see the challenge here and groups. You'll be able to see groups here, okay. So admin center is here. That's for me. But let's go look at my account for a minute. All right. So you have all your information here, but let's look at devices. All right. So right now, Apple Health is my primary device. Okay. Apple Health is my primary device. Okay. But if you're having some issues with the Move Band, then as stated, it's going to be some support here. Need help setting up your Move Band? You click there and go from there. So all of these are also compatible, and as I mentioned, the Apple Watch is compatible as well. Let me just go back for a minute so we can look at some things. Let's see what I want to show you all. Okay. Go back one more time. Okay, so we're here on, let's go register now. Plug everything in there and you register. I'm trying to find, let's see, compatible devices. I'm going to do it the quick way. It's not a perfect video, but it's going to get you to the information that you need. Alright, so these are in a previous announcement. but here's a look at them. These are the compatible devices. So Fitbit, like most people will have, you'll just follow the Fitbit icon within your account and follow the instructions. I don't have any experience with the Fitbit. Okay, so Apple Health plus Apple Watch. This is key to look at. Apple Health, Apple Watch, Google Fit, and Android Wear work exclusively with our HealthSpective app and do not act as traditional third-party devices. Please see our HealthSpective app user guide for more information. So you definitely want to click on that. All right. Once you click on that, then you should be, good to go. All right. You should be able to. You should be familiar enough with technology that you're able to do this. Okay. But if you have any questions, then direct it to the HealthSpective team or tech support. Okay. Other than that, if you have any questions, just shoot me an email. Please use the Remind app. It just is very quick, so use the Remind app as well. If you have any questions, and just let me know. Thanks.